I was just watching the video back that I shot with it in the paddling pool, and I thought I'd missed something. I thought my brain had gone funny or something like that. But that servo is playing up. I'll just demonstrate what I mean. Switch it on, throttle down. Okay, so if I go right, rudder goes right. Remember, we're going that direction. Go left, it goes left, and then it does this overcorrection. I don't know what that's about. Go right, go left. No, sorry, just said that the wrong way around. Go left, go right, go left, right, left, and it does some sort of overcorrection for some reason. I thought my brain had gone funny. I thought I was missing things, but yeah, it's definitely playing up. Right, left, right, left, overcorrect. That's weird. I've never seen one do anything like that before. Looks like it's alright if I keep my finger on it. But if I go what's that about? Let's just shift that to the, what will that be, elevator position? Channel 2 anyway. Yeah, so now it's doing the same thing. What else can we do? I suppose we could try it with that receiver again. Power off. Channel 3, channel 1. Okay, right, yeah, it's doing the same thing. So it's not the receiver, because that's a different receiver. It's something to do with that servo. Question is, do I change it out, or do I risk it? And it looks like it's quite alright if I don't do full. Oh, it did it then. I was going to say it looked like it was alright if I didn't do full left or right. Oh, that's annoying. We were on the point of actually trying it out on the boating lake. And that's the servo that I put loads of hot glue around it to stiffen it up, because it all seemed a bit loose on the back there. bit too flexible. Alright, a step backwards. Now I'm getting really confused. I've just swapped it for the other servo that came in the pack. Just check we can see. It's doing the same thing. So, swap that servo out for one of my own cheap eBay special. Put them in the right way around. Somewhat weird, isn't there? It's doing the same thing. Not as pronounced. It seems to have settled down, although I can feel it chuntering a little bit. That seemed to be okay, although it did something funny when I started. Where's that other one? Could it be anything? Could it have been anything to do with the wire was wrapped around the end motor leads? No. That's still doing that overcorrect. No, it's nothing to do with the motor lead. How about, is it my extension lead? No, it's not the extension lead. Change back to my brand new servo. It's chuntering away there, I can feel it. It's stopped now. Well, I don't suppose we got low battery. or something funny with that. That's quite hot actually, that ESC. I'll check my battery. To 4.07, 4.08, 4.08. That's not bad. What else can we try? Try a different transmitter. Oh, I don't think it's something to do with those servos, I'm sure. Maybe they're not compatible with my receiver. Well, it does look like it's something to do with those servos, and maybe they're just not compatible with my FlySky receiver. Because I've just rebound my receiver with one of my other FlySky transmitters, and we're getting exactly the same problem. That could be a problem if I'm actually pushing it a bit fast, couldn't it? It looks like it's alright as long as I don't let it self-center. No. Looks like it's when it goes. Yeah. Might have to change over to this one then. Apart from the fact that it feels like it's vibrating to me, we don't seem to be getting that overcorrection. Yeah, so like I said, a bit annoying. I'm going to have to unglue that one and glue this one in. One of the reasons for screwing them in instead of gluing them. But as I say, I put the extra glue in there to make it rigid against the back. New servo, back to the old transmitter, everything else the way it was. That would appear to have fixed the problem. The only thing is I've screwed that servo in instead of gluing it, and that's all flexing a little bit. But I don't think it's going to matter. So that'll do. So as I said before, next stage, waterproof the receiver. That's probably all I'll bother to do. I don't think I'll do anything with the ESC. I suppose I could take that heat shrink off it and coat the insides. Or we could just risk it. I'm more worried about the receiver, personally. Yeah, happy with that.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.